Today we are at 3238 Redwood Lane, Unit A. This is the top left unit of the building. Walking through the living area, we're entering into the kitchen. As you can see, we do have all stainless steel appliances, beautiful counters and cabinets. Same flooring throughout this unit. It's a nice gray laminate. Walking through the kitchen, we'll come to our laundry area. We do have some good shelving for some storage. We also have extra space over here by the water heater and breaker box. If we turn back towards the kitchen now, we'll show you the living room from a different angle. We do have a formal dining area here just in front of the living area. We do have a closet behind that front door as well. Turning left, we'll go into the bedrooms. This is the front bedroom of the unit. Lots of good lighting, same flooring throughout the whole unit, as I said. We also have our closet just right here. Lots of good lighting through that window. If we continue down the hallway, we'll go to the bathroom. We do have a nice single sink vanity, same counters and cabinets as the kitchen. Lots of good lighting in here. And our stand-up shower tub combo has beautiful tiling as well. Going back out now, we'll go to the second of the bedrooms. We do have a storage closet here and our AC closet here as well. And this is the second of the bedrooms. Again, this is an upstairs unit, so we do have a view through this window of the backyard. It's raining today, so we're not going to go out there. But here's our closet and our second bedroom. Going back out into the living area now, we'll give you the rundown. This is 3238 Redwood Lane, Unit A. It's the top left unit offered by Barron's Property Managers. You can view it on our website at barronspm.com. You can also give us a call at 850-934-2588.